school is pleased with the Laker class 2025-2026. First, I thank to God for protecting us. Without Him, we could do nothing. To our teachers, thank you for helping me live a rich life. Thank you, Teacher Sherry, for making me learn so much fun. Thank you, cherish the memories. Our parents, thank you for the love, without support, we not here. Our classmates and friends, thank you for the shared fun and laughter. Let us continue to grow and succeed. As we move to big school, once again, good afternoon. Translation.